What's up, everyone? It's Dan, and we're diving into the world of digital identity. In today's digital age, managing and securing your identity online is more important than ever. From the moment you log onto your favorite social media platform or make an online purchase, your digital identity is in play. But with so many different systems and platforms out there, it can be tough to keep track of them all. That's why we're breaking down the top 15 digital identity systems you need to know, from the ones you use every day to the behind-the-scenes players you might not even realize are there. We're talking about the big dogs like Google, Apple, and Microsoft, each with their own sprawling ecosystems and approaches to identity management. Then there's the social media giants like Facebook, who've leveraged their massive user bases to streamline access to third-party apps and websites. And we can't forget about the enterprise-level solutions from companies like Okta and Ping Identity, who are focused on keeping businesses and their data secure. But this isn't just about big names and corporations. We'll also be looking at some innovative players in the digital identity space. Companies like ID.me and Onfido, who are changing the game with their unique approaches to identity verification. And of course, we'll be exploring the world of blockchain-based identities and how they're poised to revolutionize how we think about digital ownership and control. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the future of digital identity together. First up, we've got the ubiquitous Google Identity Platform, better known as your Google ID. Let's be real. Most of us haven't gone a day without logging in with our Google accounts. And that's a testament to just how seamlessly Google has integrated its identity platform into our digital lives. With a single set of credentials, you can access a massive ecosystem of services, from Gmail and YouTube to Google Drive and Play Store. And it's not just Google's own products. Countless third-party websites and apps rely on Google Identity Platform for secure and convenient user authentication. This single sign-on approach is a huge time saver, but it also raises some important questions about data privacy and security. Google, to its credit, has implemented robust security measures like two-factor authentication and encryption to protect user data. But with great power comes great responsibility, and Google's dominance in the digital identity space means they're under constant scrutiny to ensure user privacy is paramount. So, while the convenience of Google ID is undeniable, it's always a good idea to be mindful of the data you're sharing and to review your privacy settings regularly. Next up, we're stepping into the walled garden that is Apple's ecosystem with Apple ID. Just like Google, Apple has built a robust identity system that's deeply integrated into its devices and services. Your Apple ID is your key to everything, from downloading apps on the App Store to making purchases with Apple Pay. But what sets Apple apart is its unwavering commitment to user privacy. Apple has been very vocal about its stance on data protection, often positioning itself as the privacy-focused alternative to Google's data-driven approach. And this focus on privacy is baked into the core of Apple ID. Apple leverages on-device processing and differential privacy techniques to minimize the amount of personal data collected and stored on their servers. They've also implemented features like app tracking transparency, which gives users more control over how apps track their activity across other apps and websites. So if privacy is your top priority, Apple ID certainly ticks that box. But this focus on privacy also comes with some trade-offs like limited interoperability with non-Apple devices and services. Now, let's shift gears to the enterprise world with Microsoft Identity Platform. While Google and Apple focus largely on consumer-facing services, Microsoft has a strong foothold in both the consumer and enterprise markets. Their identity platform reflects this dual focus, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for managing identities and access for both individuals and organizations. On the consumer side, you've got your Microsoft account, which is used to access services like Windows, Office 365, Xbox Live, and more. It's similar to Google ID in its scope, allowing for single sign-on across a range of services. But where Microsoft really shines is on the enterprise side with Azure Active Directory. Azure AD is a cloud-based identity and access management service that provides businesses with granular control over user access and permissions. It's designed to handle the complex security needs of large organizations with features like multi-factor authentication, conditional access policies, and single sign-on for thousands of cloud-based applications. So whether you're a casual user or a large enterprise, Microsoft's got you covered with their robust and versatile identity platform. They've successfully bridged the gap between consumer and enterprise solutions, offering a comprehensive approach to identity and access management. Chapter 4: Facebook Login. Next, we're diving into the world of social login with Facebook Login. Love it or hate it, Facebook has become an integral part of our digital lives, and they've leveraged their massive user base to streamline the login process for countless websites and apps. Remember those days of creating a new account for every website you visited? Facebook Login aimed to solve that by allowing users to access third-party services using their existing Facebook credentials. It's a convenient solution for users and a valuable tool for businesses looking to reduce friction in the sign-up process. But this convenience comes at a price: your data. By using Facebook Login, you're essentially granting those third-party services access to your Facebook profile information. And while Facebook has tightened its data privacy policies in recent years, there are still concerns about how this data is being used and shared. So, while Facebook Login offers undeniable convenience, it's important to be aware of the potential privacy implications before you hit that Login with Facebook button. Always review the permissions requested by the app or website and consider the potential risks before sharing your Facebook data. Chapter 5: Amazon Web Services, AWS, Identity and Access Management, IAM. Moving on, we're stepping into the cloud with Amazon Web Services, AWS, Identity and Access Management, IAM. Now, AWS might not be a household name like Google or Apple, but their cloud computing services power a massive chunk of the internet. And IAM is their solution for managing access to those powerful cloud resources. IAM is all about granular control. It allows businesses to manage user access to specific AWS services and resources with fine-grained permissions. This level of control is essential for businesses of all sizes, ensuring that only authorized users have access to sensitive data and applications. But IAM isn't just about security, it's also about flexibility. AWS understands that businesses have unique needs and workflows. That's why they've designed IAM to be highly customizable, allowing businesses to tailor access control policies to their specific requirements. So, whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, AWS IAM provides the tools you need to securely manage access to your cloud resources. It's a powerful solution for businesses looking to leverage the scalability and flexibility of the cloud while maintaining strict security standards. Chapter 6: Okta. Now let's talk about Okta, a major player in the identity and access management space. Okta is all about simplifying secure access for enterprises, and they've built a reputation for their cloud-based identity solutions. Their platform is designed to connect everything: users, devices, and applications in a secure and unified way. One of Okta's key strengths is its focus on single sign-on, SSO. They provide businesses with a centralized platform for managing user access to thousands of cloud-based and on-premises applications. This eliminates the need for users to remember multiple usernames and passwords, improving both security and user experience. But Okta is more than just SSO. They offer a comprehensive suite of identity and access management tools, including multi-factor authentication, lifecycle management, and adaptive security. They're constantly innovating, with a focus on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance security and streamline the user experience. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive and future-proof identity solution for your business, Okta is definitely worth checking out. They're a leader in the space, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with identity and access management. Next up, we've got Ping Identity, another heavy hitter in the enterprise identity and access management arena. Like Okta, Ping Identity is all about securing access to applications and data, but they bring their own unique approach to the table. Ping Identity prides itself on its flexible and scalable solutions, designed to meet the needs of even the most complex enterprise environments. They offer a wide range of products and services, covering everything from single sign-on and multi-factor authentication to identity federation and API security. One of Ping Identity's standout features is its focus on zero trust security. This security framework assumes that no user or device can be trusted by default, regardless of their location or network. Ping Identity helps businesses implement zero trust principles by verifying every access attempt with strict authentication and authorization policies. So if you're serious about securing your enterprise applications and data in today's increasingly complex threat landscape, Ping Identity is a name you need to know. Their comprehensive solutions and commitment to zero trust security make them a top contender in the enterprise identity and access management space. Now let's talk about Thales, formerly known as Gemalto, a company with a long history in digital security. Thales is a global leader in digital identity and security solutions, with expertise spanning a wide range of industries and applications. They're involved in everything from secure authentication and identity verification to digital ID issuance and data protection. One of their key areas of focus is digital identity for government and citizen services. They provide solutions for e-passports, national ID cards, and other government-issued credentials, ensuring secure and reliable identification for citizens around the world. But Thales' expertise extends far beyond government applications. They also provide digital identity solutions for businesses, financial institutions, and other organizations looking to enhance security, streamline operations, and improve customer experience. So, whether it's securing national borders, enabling secure online transactions, or protecting sensitive data, Thales is a key player in the global digital identity ecosystem. Their broad range of solutions and deep expertise make them a trusted partner for organizations looking to navigate the complex world of digital identity and security. You know that little padlock icon that pops up in your browser when you visit a secure website? Chances are, VeriSign had something to do with it. VeriSign is a global leader in digital certificates and internet infrastructure, playing a critical role in building trust and security online. They're best known for their Secure Sockets Layer (SSL) certificates, which are used to encrypt communication between websites and users' browsers. These certificates are essential for securing online transactions, protecting sensitive data, and ensuring that users are interacting with legitimate websites. But VeriSign's role in the digital identity ecosystem goes beyond just SSL certificates. They also provide a range of other identity and security solutions, including domain name system, DNS security, threat intelligence, and customer identity and access management. So, next time you see that little padlock icon in your browser, remember VeriSign. They're working behind the scenes to make the internet a safer and more trusted place for everyone. Their expertise in digital certificates and internet infrastructure is crucial for securing online communication and protecting users from cyber threats. Chapter 10, ID.me. Now let's talk about ID.me, a company that's tackling the challenge of online identity verification head-on. In an increasingly digital world, proving your identity online is more important than ever. Whether you're accessing government services, opening a bank account, or verifying your age for online purchases, ID.me provides a secure and streamlined solution. Their platform allows individuals to verify their identity once and use that verified identity across multiple online services. This eliminates the need for repetitive and time-consuming identity verification processes, making life easier for both individuals and businesses. ID.me uses a multi-layered approach to identity verification, combining government ID document verification, with biometric authentication methods like facial recognition. This ensures a high level of confidence in the verified identity, reducing the risk of fraud and identity theft. So, if you're tired of jumping through hoops to prove your identity online, Idaho Me might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Their secure and user-friendly platform is making online identity verification more efficient and reliable, paving the way for a more trusted digital future. Chapter 11. Clear. Ever wished you could breeze through airport security without the hassle of digging out your ID and boarding pass? That's where Clear comes in. Clear is a biometric identity verification service that's changing the way we travel and attend events. Using your unique biometrics, your eyes and fingerprints. Clear allows you to verify your identity quickly and securely at airport security checkpoints and other event entrances. No more fumbling for your ID, just a quick scan and you're on your way. Clear is all about speed and convenience, but they haven't forgotten about security. Their platform meets the highest standards for identity verification, using advanced encryption and data security measures to protect your personal information. So, if you're a frequent traveler or event goer, Clear is definitely worth checking out. Their biometric identity verification technology can save you time and hassle, making the whole experience smoother and more enjoyable. Chapter 12. MasterCard Identity Check. Now let's talk about MasterCard Identity Check, a solution designed to make online payments more secure. Online fraud is a growing concern, and MasterCard is stepping up to combat it with its innovative identity verification technology. MasterCard Identity Check adds an extra layer of security to online transactions by verifying the cardholder's identity during the checkout process. This is done through a variety of methods, including one-time passwords, biometric authentication, and knowledge-based questions. What's great about MasterCard Identity Check is that it's designed to be seamless for the user. The verification process happens in the background without interrupting the checkout flow. This means enhanced security without any added friction for the customer. So next time you're shopping online, keep an eye out for MasterCard Identity Check. It's just one example of how MasterCard is leveraging technology to make online payments safer and more secure for everyone. Let's talk about Onfido, a company that's using artificial intelligence and machine learning to revolutionize identity verification. Onfido's platform is designed to verify identities remotely, making it easier than ever for businesses to onboard customers, verify users, and prevent fraud. Their technology analyzes a combination of government-issued identity documents and biometric data to confirm a user's identity. They use machine learning algorithms to detect fraud and ensure the authenticity of documents, making their system highly resistant to spoofing attempts. Onfido's platform is used by a wide range of businesses, from financial institutions and online marketplaces to healthcare providers and sharing economy platforms. Their technology is helping to create a more trusted digital environment where businesses can onboard customers quickly and securely without compromising on security or user experience. So if you're looking for a cutting-edge identity verification solution that leverages the power of AI and machine learning, Onfido is definitely worth checking out. Their innovative technology is transforming the way businesses verify identities online, making the process faster, more secure, and more user-friendly. Next, we have Yoti, a digital identity platform that's putting users in control of their data. Yoti believes that individuals should own and control their personal information, and their platform is designed to make that a reality. With Yoti, you create a secure digital identity that you can use to prove your age, verify your identity, and log in to websites and apps. The key difference is that you choose what information to share and with whom. Yoti uses encryption and decentralized storage to protect your data, ensuring that you're always in control. They're committed to privacy by design, meaning that data privacy is baked into the core of their platform. So, if you're looking for a digital identity solution that puts you in the driver's seat, Yoti is definitely worth exploring. Their focus on user control, data privacy and security makes them a compelling option in the evolving landscape of digital identity. Finally, let's explore the world of trust frameworks and blockchain-based IDs, the future of digital identity. Blockchain technology, with its decentralized and tamper-proof nature, has the potential to revolutionize how we think about identity. Platforms like Sovereign, Uport and Civic are building decentralized identity solutions that give individuals complete control over their personal data. Imagine a world where you control your own digital identity, choosing what information to share with service providers and organizations without relying on centralized authorities. Blockchain-based IDs can streamline identity verification processes, reduce fraud and empower individuals to manage their own data. While still in their early stages of development, these platforms hold immense promise for a more secure, private and user-centric digital future. So, keep an eye on the world of trust frameworks and blockchain-based IDs. They have the potential to transform how we interact and transact online, ushering in a new era of digital identity where users are in control. That wraps up our deep dive into the top 15 digital identity systems you need to know. From established players like Google and Apple to innovative startups like IDME and Onfido, we've covered a lot of ground. These identity systems are crucial for securing access to digital services and protecting user data. They underpin our online interactions, enabling us to shop, bank, connect, and access essential services in our increasingly digital world. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovation in the digital identity space. Whether it's advancements in biometrics, the rise of blockchain-based solutions, or a greater focus on user privacy and control, the future of digital identity is sure to be exciting. So stay informed, choose the systems that align with your needs and values, and let's navigate this digital world together securely and responsibly.